Okay, I hope my screen is very much visible to everyone. So students,
Yes.
this is our activity number one. Whatever I suggested, I told you, create and format lesson summary. I repeat, lesson summary. It is not the lesson note. It is lesson summary using MS Word or Google Docs. You may use Google Docs, you may use MS Word, and you are supposed to type summary of the lesson over here. What to do in that? Let's see. First thing, as I told you, we have 10 activities. Each activity, that means these 10 activities will get 200 marks. So lesson summary is for 20 marks. Actually, 100 marks, it will get converted to 20 marks. So how you are going to create a document? That means your lesson summary. We are going to check that in this. This is practical skill. These are the objectives. I'm not going to elaborate much. Just I'm going to tell you what is necessary in this. First thing, structure lesson content. Prepare a very proper organized lesson summary for any school subject. Take any subtopic from the lesson. If yours is science, take photosynthesis, for example. Photosynthesis is your topic. Write summary of photosynthesis using clear logical sections. So what are those sections we are going to see? Apply text hierarchy. Text hierarchy, that means whenever you'll open Microsoft Word, you'll find heading. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So which heading is suitable for you? Select that heading to create visual clarity and improve readability. So you may select any heading out of those three which is applicable to you. Third thing, incorporate visuals. Incorporate visuals. You may insert and format images with proper size, proper alignment. As I told you that you'll have to insert one image over there. So insert proper image over there, align it very properly and caption it to enhance understanding. Hmm? Proper things, you may use italics, you may use bold, you may use bullets, you may use table over there. Apply professional formatting, that means bold, italics, line spacing should be very clear. You may apply 1 point for you, you may apply 2, whatever looks good, but 1 point for you is common. I think alignment should be very proper. Hmm? Polish your document, I must say. Okay, then next thing, that is organize information. Whatever information you are writing over there, use bullet points, use numbers, use tables wherever it is necessary to present information correctly, clearly. Then save and share document. Learn to save. Once you will create that Microsoft Word document, click on save button, click on file, click on save as, give beautiful name to your file. Hmm, this is your activity number one. After that, you may share your work professionally in multiple format. You may make it PDF, you may share it in various groups, you may share it in Google Class also. So save and share, that is very important. Okay, so look, first thing, there might be a question in the mind of students, what is lesson summary? Lesson summary, that means what? A concise and well organized document, very well organized document, and that will distill the essential elements of teaching a lesson into accessible formats for students and educators. Once we will see the lesson summary, we will get the clear view of your lesson. It serves as both planning tool. Whenever teachers are going to plan the tool, look, if you'll go in school, teachers are not making the full lesson plan, they are making lesson summary. Okay, so it is both for planning and reference guide for the teacher. It will ensure clarity and consistency in instruction. When your principal or supervisor is going to check the lesson summary. They used to understand, yes, this teacher is going to teach this. She is going to use such kind of charts, such kind of images in her lesson. This will be her conclusion. These are clear key concepts. That is called as lesson summary. So what we expect in your lesson summary? First thing, title of the lesson. It should be very clear. It should be descriptive. Name that identifies the topic. It should be the title. After that, learning objectives and outcomes. Hmm? Actually, outcomes was not there, but I have included outcome. So it should be very specific, measurable goals students will achieve. You'll have to write in objectives, and once it will done, write outcomes also. Key concepts. Whatever key concepts are in that lesson, you are supposed to write over there. Core idea of your lesson, principles, whatever you are going to teach them. Then important points, critical information students must understand. Write important points over there, only important points. Activities and examples, practical application and illustrations, whatever you are going to give, you can write it over there. Hmm? If you'll find some things are too much in this lesson summary, you may delete that also. I have given, this is one of the good thing if you'll include all those things. And at last give conclusion. Inclusion, summary of key takeaways. Hmm? This is summary of key takeaways in your conclusion. In activities and examples, you may put some images, you may put some tables also. And at last give you may give first evaluation questions, or after conclusion you may give evaluation questions also. 3 to 4 questions are necessary. Assessment items to check understand. So please remember, lesson summary should be very clear, very concise, and visually organized. Hmm? So this is the roadmap for your lesson. Okay. So what I said, I repeat once again, title should be there, objective outcome should be there, key concepts of your lesson should be there, important points, whatever you are going to teach should be there, activities and examples in the form of image. It should be there, conclusion should be there, evaluation question should be there. One table, one image should be there. Hmm? So this is your lesson summary. Then step by step procedure, what you are supposed to do. Okay, first thing, I will show you what to do. Live demonstration I'm going to give you. After that, you'll have to practice it. Okay. If you have any doubt, then you may raise your hand or ask me question regarding the same. Look, I have given you two options. One is Microsoft Word, one is Google Docs. If you're very comfortable with Microsoft Word, you may make your lesson summary in Microsoft Word and then upload it in Google Drive. Okay. Otherwise, just go in Google Drive, click on blank under start a new document, and begin by creating your document. Type it over there also. So it is also there. Or in Microsoft, create one new blank document. Your black canvas will be ready, and accordingly you can do that. So this is the thing what I want. Again, add main title. Look, your title is very important. You'll have to type first of all your title. You can type complete lesson name very clearly and accurately over there. Hmm. Second thing, apply heading. Go in select text styles heading 1 for proper hierarchy. Then align it center. Center alignment is very necessary. You may give command, or there might be options you can choose from that. Then make it bold. Apply bold formatting using Control plus B. Oh, okay. Then increase font size. You may increase font size in between 16 to 20 also for your title. I'm saying for your title, 16 to 20 is good size. For example, look, understanding photosynthesis, how plants make food. This is the title. Hmm? So you can write it, choose heading 1, select heading 1, it should be bold. Font size should be 16 to 20. If you will find 16 is very big, you may decrease it also. But this is standard 16 to 20. Center alignment should be there for title. Okay. Then second thing, look, our step 2 got done. Step 3. Step 3 is very important. Create a professional informational table. Okay. So once you will type the title, make 2 by 4 table. 4 rows, 6 rows, whatever. For example, you can write, first of all, you may take, I have taken teacher over there. Instead of that, if you take first of all, here also, then also no problem. Class, grade 7, subject, science, maths, English, whatever, lesson name, whatever the topic is. Duration, 45 minutes, one period, whatever, 40 minutes, 30 minutes. Method, which method you are going to take for teaching this? Lecture method, discussion method, activity based method. In English, we have direct method, grammar translation method, structural approach, communicative approach, any approach you can write over there. Okay, as per your lesson, as per your method, you can write name of your method over here. I have written lecture discussion for you only. For that, whatever your method's name, you can write it over there. And your name, student teacher's name. As I told you, you may take it over here or at very first also. We don't have any objection. As per your choice, you can do that. Okay, so this is your step number 3. Add basic information in the table. Insert table in Microsoft Word, and that is very important. Next thing, look, add learning objectives. First of all, form your objective section. Hmm? I think ma'am has already taught you Bloom's taxonomy, how to write objective specification. So type learning objective, apply heading H2, H2 style for hierarchy, right? Select H2 style, add introductory sentence, list objective. For example, look, a student will be enabled to understand the process and importance of photosynthesis in nature, explain the role of chlorophyll, sunlight, water, and carbon, like that. So you can write such kind of objective. You may use verbs like understand, explain, apply, analyze, evaluate, or create. You may use such kind of verbs as per Bloom's taxonomy, while writing the objectives. Simple format. After that, learning objectives. Look, learning objectives, what I have done, on the basis of those objectives, I have written this one. And by the end of this lesson, students will be able to understand the key concept, components, and purpose. Do one thing over here. Let me tell you one thing, whatever I have missed. Look, here you may start your learning objective with to enable the student teacher. Here students will be able to, you may change by the end of this lesson, don't write this, just to enable the student teacher dash to understand the process and importance of photosynthesis in nature, to explain the role of chlorophyll, to apply their knowledge. In this way you are supposed to write here. And in learning outcomes, now you can write students will be able to by the end of this lesson, because you have taught the lesson, and after that students will be able to understand the key components, explain the essential concepts, like that, right? Likewise, after that, now add key concepts and summary points. Use bullet points for this. Look, I have used over here bullet points, meaning of photosynthesis, conditions required for the process, products created, glucose and oxygen, importance to ecosystem balance. These bullet points are there. And you may use numbering also. For example, process of photosynthesis, I have used numbers. Light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll, water molecules split into hydrogen, carbon monoxide, like this. Or you may use sub bullets also. If you'll go in bullet section, insert, you'll find all those things over there. I will show you. Then step 6, insert an image. First thing, make a very powerful image in Canva or PictoChart, and then insert it over here. You will have to align it in middle. Okay, you may give captions also. Below the image, you can write figure number 1, so and so. Hmm? You have made it in Canva. If you will give the link of Canva or PictoChart, it will be very nice. Not compulsory. Minimum you can write figure number 1 and the name of that figure. If you could give the link, it would be very nice. In Microsoft Word, click on Insert Pictures, this device, wherever you have stored, click on that. It will come in your Word document. Okay. Resize using corner handles. If you want to make the corners properly, you can use the erase option. Then right click, insert caption. Insert caption to add description is there. So you may add it over there, right? In Google Docs, if you want to use Google Docs, click insert image, upload it from computer, select your image. Once it will get uploaded, use the resize handles to adjust. You may adjust it properly. And then text box, add a text box or use insert caption and add on. Right, type the name of that image. Okay, it should be center aligned. After this, conclusion and evaluation question. This is conclusion should be within 2 or 3 lines. I have written very simple, but you can add 2 lines or 3 lines. For example, photosynthesis is an essential process through which plants make their own food and release oxygen needed for life. This is my conclusion. Evaluation questions. Define photosynthesis. Name any two raw material required for photosynthesis. Write the chemical equation of for photosynthesis. Why is photosynthesis important for humans? This is conclusion and evaluation questions. Then step 8, final formatting. Check alignment, check line spacing, check font consistency, check spelling, check grammar, page setup, finish. So this is our assignment number 1, criteria, how we are going to evaluate your assignment. This lesson summary. Content, quality, clarity, relevance, you will get 30 marks. Use of headings and subheadings, you will get 10 marks. Bullet points, number list, 10 marks. Table, whatever you have inserted, 15 marks. Image, whatever you have inserted, if it is proper, 10 marks. Formatting, font, spacing, alignment, layout, 15 marks. Overall presentation, 10 marks. In this way, you will get out of 100 marks, it will get consolidated into 20 marks. Okay, so this is about our activity number 1. So thank you for this session. Now we are going to do it practically. I'm going to show you how to do it practically. Okay, so look, you may see what I'm going to do. I'm going to share my screen. First of all, I will show you how I have made this. So you will get one good idea for the same. Just a minute. I'm sharing my presentation. Okay. Look, I'm going to share the document, whatever I have prepared. Yes. Yes. Okay. So this is my lesson summary. You could see sim 1 minute. I will zoom it so that you could see it properly. Okay, I will show you first. I think instead of doing that. Look, first of all, what you are supposed to do, I will show you everything so that it will be very clear to you. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to share my screen, full screen, so that you will get understanding. Share screen. Okay. Look, in front of you, my laptop screen is there. Whenever you will click on your laptop screen, you will find over your new. If you will click over your new, whatever I'm going to click, you will find over your Microsoft Word document. You may click on that document. It will get over here. Otherwise, just do one thing. Right click on the mouse. If you click over here, right click, new. You will see over your new Microsoft Word document. I'm going to click on that Microsoft Word document. I'm going to give name activity dash 1 dash lesson summary. Lesson summary. This is the name whatever I have given, right? So how to rename this, you all know. Just click over here, right click. You'll find over here one more option, rename. You could see over here rename. Click on that. If you want to change this option, you may change. That means you may change the name also. After that, double click on that. Look, I have double clicked over here. Now, what was the thing what we said? Whenever it will be there, first of all, we'll have to type the name of the lesson. That is very, very important. So, what was name of our lesson? Hmm? So, accordingly, you can write name of the lesson. For example, look, suppose I will take this one, parts of speech. Okay, I will take this name, parts of speech. So what I will do, first of all, look, you could see on the screen, huh? Here you could find heading 2. Hmm? It is different as per Microsoft Office. So I'm going to click on heading. Okay, now here is heading. The font size is 20, but it's too big for me. So I'm going to click to 16. I'm going to give name over here, parts of speech. Parts of speech is the heading. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bold it and I'm going to align it in middle. So parts of speech is my heading. Okay. So I have what I have done, I have used, you may use Times New Roman. Hmm? So you could find over here, font is there. I have used Times New Roman. I have set it in middle. In this way also you can do set it in middle. Once you will do this, after doing this, then insert one table. Hmm? So how to insert the table? Look, you will find here. 1 minute. Sorry, just give me a minute. So look, this is your first thing. You have written the title, you have typed the title. Now the very important thing is that what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to create one table. Okay, so in this table, how we are going to create the table? I'm showing you over here. Look, what I have done right now. Click on insert button. In insert, you will find over your table. Click on the table. Look, we want two columns. So I have clicked on two. Then I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have clicked on 6. You could see over here. So over here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make two columns. It should be not too big. So you can resize it like this. Like this, I have resized it. If you want it in middle, you can take it in middle. Click on home, align it in middle. Click on this table, select this table, align it in middle. Then you may enter over here. There should be space in between this. So now I'm going to write, for example, name of the student teacher. I have typed over here name of the student teacher. Then here I have written Sanjay. Here again I'm going to write class, for example, 6th division. In this way, you can write division A, B, C, whatever. Then here you can write, if you want to write name of the school also, you may add so many things in this, whatever you want. For example, subject also you can write, lesson name, duration also you can write. So that will also work. Okay, for example, I will write lesson name or name of the lesson. That will be better. Hmm? First of all, I will write subject. Then I will write name of the lesson. And after that, I will write over your duration. If you want to add school, name of the school, again, if you will insert here one row, here you can insert or write name of the school also. Sorry, name of the school. Hmm. So in this way also you can write, then align all those things. Suppose you want it in middle. Hmm. And this way also you can add, or if you want it align left, you can align it left also. Hmm. So once your table will get ready, here you will have to fill all the information. Now I'm not going to fill as we have very less time. Hmm. So after this, one thing we have used Times New Roman. So you may go over here, font Times New Roman. We have taken the font size 12. So you can select it from 12. Huh? So now this is 12 font size. I have given title. I have made one table also. Now the things comes regarding, look, what is very important, the thing is, we'll have to write learning objectives. So what I will do, now I will write learning objectives over here for this lesson. So you're supposed to type over here learning objectives. I'm going to write learning objectives. Okay. So again, what I will do, I will change the color of this. I will make it bold. Click on B. B means bold. Or you may use Control B also. Huh? Font size should be whatever we have taken, 12. 12 we have taken. Then you can find it after this. I'm going to use bullets. So if you will see over here, you could find your bullets. Huh? Look, bullets is there on the screen. You could see. I'm going to click on this bullet. Okay, dot. So I have clicked on that, and now I'm going to type all learning objectives over here. So I have typed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullets. Okay, learning objectives. In this way, you can type, and you may do one thing, you may select it, you may change it to Times New Roman now also, or if you think no, I will once I will complete the lesson summary, then I will do, no problem at all. So in this way also you can do that. Now let's come to learning outcomes. In the same way, you can type learning outcomes also. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to type learning outcomes. I'm not going to do this one. I'm going to give one more enter. I'm going to type here learning objective or learning outcomes. Learning outcomes. Okay. Again, I'm going to keep this colon. So I'm going to make it bold. Look, Control B or just select B also. You can align it over here. Likewise, the first one. You may give here one more space. hmm, Learning outcomes. So now what I will do after this, I will use numbers over here. If you want numbers, you may use numbers also. So I have clicked on numbers. Now I'm going to type all the learning outcomes over here. You'll find, look, all learning outcomes I have typed over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so in this way you can type learning outcomes also. So once you have done learning outcomes, now what I will do, I will write here key concepts. Whatever key concepts are there, I will type it over here. All the key concepts. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to type here key concepts. Key concepts. Okay. So what I have done, I have typed here key concepts. Again, I have aligned it properly with this. Then now, okay, I'm going to type now all the key concepts of my lesson. So now what I have done, look, I have typed key concepts. I have changed the color of this also. Whatever color you want, you may take it accordingly. Hmm? So I have typed all the key concepts, major parts of it. These are my key concepts. So I have typed all the things. Parts of speech are categories of words on their functions in a sentence. Then I have typed this noun, pronoun. These are my key concepts. Verb, adjective. Look, I have selected these bullets. You may select any bullet. For example, what I have done, learning objective and learning outcomes. I want same bullets. So I will select this. I will go in bullet section. I will click on these. So now it became bullets. For this, I will take numbers. So what I have done now, I have selected this. I have clicked over here, numbers. I have clicked. You could see 8 parts of speech I have made here. After this, now what I am going to do, I am going to insert the image. So what we are supposed to do, click on insert button. I have clicked on insert button. I have clicked on pictures. Hmm? This device, wherever you have stored the image. So I have clicked on pictures. I have clicked on images. I'm going in my downloads. So in downloads, I would have to check where there is an image or not. So yes, this is my Canva parts of speech. I have made it in Canva. So I'm going to click on that. Look, so you have found that I have my Canva parts of speech image. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to resize it properly. So I'm going to resize it with the help of this. I have resized it. Again, I want a smaller one. Hmm. Now I'm going to align it. I'm going in home. Look here, you can find align symbols over here. So I'm going to align it in middle. Hmm. After this, I'm going to keep space in between these two. So I have done this. Now what I would have to do, I would have to give caption over here. So you may give caption. Look here, insert caption you could find. Insert caption button is here. So here figure 1, I'm going to write figure 1 is already written. Parts of speech. Parts of speech I have written over here caption. Below selected item, label figure, I'm going to click on OK. You have found now figure 1 parts of speech, it is inserted over here. If you want to change the color, you may change. For example, I have selected another color. I have given here 1 minute more colors. Standard. I have selected this color. Hmm. So I have given caption parts of speech, figure 1 parts of speech over here. After this, look, now what I want conclusion for my parts of speech. So now I am going to type the word conclusion again over here. Look, conclusion, conclusion. Okay, conclusion. What I will do, I will make it bold. B, control B, or you may select this one. After this, you may select the color also, whatever color we have taken earlier. I have selected this color for all. If you will see the same color I have selected over here, conclusion. Then I'm going to type here conclusion. For example, okay, I will align it properly over here. Okay, so I have aligned it. Parts of speech help us under help sorry parts of speech help us to understand the structure of sentences and improve our grammar and writing skills. After this, I will come to evaluation questions. Just I'm going to type evaluation. Evaluation. So now what I'm supposed to do, I would have to type over here evaluation questions. So you may write over there evaluation questions also. You may type 3 or 4 questions over there if you think so. For example, what I will do, I will write evaluation questions over here. Question. Okay. Now after this, I will type here questions. Look, I have typed here 3 questions now. You could see over here. So what I will do, I will align it properly. So these are my evaluation questions. Okay, so now what I will do, I will format it properly. I will select control all button. I'm going to select over here. Times New Roman. Okay, this is Times New Roman. I want these things in bold. So what I will do, I will make it bold. This is bold. These are the names, whatever you may complete it. I'm not going to complete it. We don't have much time. So these are my learning objectives. Okay, I will color it. Learning objectives. Then these are my learning outcomes. Again, I will color it. Please check the spelling also whenever you will do this. Then key concepts. Measure again. Okay, I will give you space. Key concepts. huh, I have given here 8 parts of speech in concepts. Then this is the Canva figure, whatever I have made. Then this is my conclusion. These are my evaluation questions, whatever I have typed over here. So this is my beautiful lesson summary, whatever I have prepared. Now I want to save it somewhere. So I'm going to click on File. I'm going to click on Save As button. Okay. Then, okay, first of all, I will save it, then I will show you. Save As button. After clicking on saving, I'm going to click on Browse. I will save it in, okay, downloads. I have given lesson summary name, or I will, okay, activity one also. In activity one, I have given activity one lesson summary, parts of speech. Parts of speech. It got shared over here as a Word document. Got it? Is there any question? And this is just a simple format. I again instruct you as per your mentor's suggestion, you may prepare this lesson summary. This is simple lesson summary, whatever I have prepared. This is your activity number one. Is there any doubt in this activity number one to anyone? Yes? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. If we are taking method science, so
Hmm.
can we draw or insert pictures in spite of canvas you have prepared part of speech? Can we set
No,
image?
no, no. You
Okay.
will have to create the image. Create
Okay.
the image in Canva or Pictochart, and then you will have to add it over here. Okay, add it over here, and then give caption. Below this, you can give link also. Okay, actually, it is not mentioned anywhere that you will have to create and you will have to insert. But what happens, some images are copyrighted.
Yes.
We don't have right to take it without their permission. I must say license. If you will take without license images, that will work. Hmm? That means if they have given option, you may share it, you may paste it, you may take it. But I will suggest you that if you'll make it and if you'll insert it, then it will be very good. But if you may ask your mentors, if they will allow you, then yeah, definitely you can take any non-licensed image and you can insert it over here. Okay, but take their advice because they are going to give you marks. I'm not going to give you marks. Okay, so take advice of them and then insert such kind of image over there. This is a very simple image, whatever prepared by me. So you may prepare beautiful images in Canva. As I don't have time, so I have prepared just like this. Okay, any other question regarding this assignment? Okay, hmm? No any question. So you may, what you are supposed to do, this is our activity one ready. That means whenever your mentors will send you assignment, you can upload this assignment over there. Or you may upload this assignment in Google Drive. Okay, how to upload this assignment in Google Drive, I will show you. And you may insert the link over there also. So first of all, no doubt at all regarding this assignment, activity number one is all clear to everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Second activity is you will have to insert the PDF. 1 minute, I will show you what is second activity. Yes, this is second activity. Okay, you like to merge it into PDF. Hmm? What you're supposed to do, you like to save it as PDF and then share it. So how to make Word document or convert Word document into PDF? I will show you. Look, here you could see file, click on file, then here button save as. I'm going to click on save as. Hmm? Then it will ask me where to share. So you may browse and select the location where to share. So I have my activity one over here. I'm going to click over here. You could find here. I'm going to share it in activity one. So you may give here name activity one lesson summary parts of speech. Here save as type. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on PDF. I have clicked on PDF. Now this file will save over here as PDF. I'm going to click on save button. Look, now it will get saved as PDF over here. Look, now this file got converted into PDF. You could see here PDF. I have made this file or converted this file as PDF. You could see over here. This is my PDF. So this is your activity number two. You will have to convert this file into PDF and then you are supposed to share this file in your activity number two in Google Classroom. Is this clear to everyone? Activity number two?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Activity number one, make lesson summary in Word format. Hmm, Then share this Word file or you may upload it in your Google Drive. Okay, I will show you how to upload it in your Google Drive also. So it is also very simple. Let me show you. Now I'm going to open here. 1 minute, 1 minute. I will share my screen so that you could see. Share my screen, full screen, you could see. My screen got shared. Look, here, this is my desktop. You could find over here. Desktop is visible to everyone. I'm going to click on Google Chrome. Look, this is Google Chrome. Now I'm going to select any your Google, Google Gmail or something like that. So this is my profile. A very easy thing. First of all, I will tell you, I'm going to open my Gmail. Hmm? Look here, Gmail is there. You may open your Gmail. Once you'll open your Gmail, or if you're not going to open your Gmail also, you could find here 9 dots. Look, here are 9 dots. You could see. I'm going to click on 9 dots. In 9 dots, I have found Drive. I'm going to click on Google Drive. Look, here it is my Google Drive.
मेरा
Hmm?
चार्जर लेके आना.
I think someone's mic is switch on. Please switch off your charger. Look, this is my Google Drive. You could see over here. This is my Google Drive. You could find over here number of folders are there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on new. I want to share this new. I would have to upload my file. So there is one button, file upload. I'm going to click on file upload. I'm going in my activity one where I have shared this activity one. Look, this is my Word file. I'm going to click on that. Double click. Okay, so now you could see over here activity one is uploading. This got uploaded. Look, activity one lesson summary parts of speech. It got uploaded over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see here where the file is activity one. It got uploaded over here. Actually, there are number of files. So it is not easy to find all the things. Instead of that, if we'll upload it in any folder. Okay, here is activity one. You have seen this is activity one. You could see the cursor. This is activity one. Now I want to share the link of this file. Look here, you could see 3 dots are there. 3 dots are there. More actions you could find. I'm going to click on that 3 dots. 3 dots. Here there is share option. I have clicked on share option. Then here share button is there. I have clicked on share. You could see now share is there. So if you want to share it with a person, you could type his email. For example, I could share the email ID over here, and this way also you could share, but I don't want to share. I want to share it as a public. So here there is one option, general access restricted. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this option first of all, and even with the link. And even with the link, because once you will share this link, so anyone who has the link could see your file. So after clicking on anyone with the link, I have given him option of viewer. Viewer, that means he cannot edit your file. If you will give option of editor, then he could delete your file also. So just I have given option of viewer over here, not commenter also. Then I have clicked here copy link. You could see copy link. I have clicked here, link got copied. Done. Then what I will do, I have this link. I will share this link with anyone. For example, look what I will do. I will open my Gmail. In my Gmail, what I will do again. Okay, Gmail is opening. I will compose this. Click on compose in Gmail. It is loading. Okay, otherwise, here, if I want to share it to particular person, I will click here, Control V or paste. This is the link. I will write here activity one, parts of speech or lesson summary, whatever. Sorry, parts of speech, or here activity one, lesson summary, parts of speech. Recipient, suppose I will forward this to, yeah, mine only. And then I will send this link to that particular person. Okay, so that he could see it or anybody could see it. You may share it in on WhatsApp. The person who has the link could see your everything, right? Otherwise, in your assignment, if the mentor has given that share the link of your Word file, you can copy and paste this link over there also. Okay. So this is also one of the things. So this was all about activity one and activity two. So is there any doubt in activity one and activity two? If not, then we will move towards activity number three. Activity number three is your Google Classroom. I think, yeah, it is. Let me check your activity three. Yes, join Google Classroom and participate. You'll have to join Google Classroom created by the teacher, and you'll have to submit an assignment and post a comment in the class discussion. This is your activity number three, Google Classroom. So I will show you how to join to a Google Classroom. First of all, I will show you how to create Google Classroom. Okay. So what I'm doing right now, look, you could see over here on the screen. I'm going to share my screen once again now so that you could get full process of creating the class also. Now you are supposed to join the class only, not creating the class, but I will show you how to join the class also. Actually, I have created my Google class. I will show you, but nobody could join over here in this class as this is college domain. So college domain is restricted. It is not allowing anyone to join. So I will show you. Look here, 9 dots are there. In 9 dots, you could find here classroom. Classroom symbol is there. I'm going to click on that classroom. Once you will click on that, you will find this is my classroom. This is my classroom, and I have created here one class. Sanjay's micro teaching class. This is the class, whatever I have created. You could find here. Look, look here in this class, what I have done. I have posted one assignment also. I have posted here some assignments also. Activity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have posted here. And this is the class code. If you will share this class code with the students, or if you share the link, Then once they will click on this link, they will get joined. But as I told you that this class, whatever I have created, is not going to give me permission. Permission to what? Permission to, if I will share this class code also, okay, I will choose another account so that you will get no. Okay, so now what I have done, yes, this is, yeah, this is the class, whatever I'm going to create. New class I will show you. Look, once you will click on Google Classroom, that means on these 9 dots, if you will click on, then it will ask you Google Classroom. You can, okay, first of all, I will close that account. That is not good. I will show you from first. Okay, I'm going to close everything now. Okay, you could see over here. This is also I don't need. Okay, and this is your Google. So what you are supposed to do if you want to create a class, I will show you first. So here I'm going to, first of all, I will change my profile to that so that it will good. It is IQSC now. I'm going to type here simple thing. If you have these 9 dots, you could see click on that. Directly you can go to Google Classroom. If not, then here also you can type Google Classroom. Simple thing, login, Google Classroom login. I have clicked here on Google Classroom sign in. I'm going to click on that Google Classroom sign in. So what happened? Directly it has signed me in. Hmm? So here, this is the account by which I'm going to sign in. And this is IQSC MITHDBA at mitcer.edu.in. But again, this account will also not work because this is college domain. I will have to switch this account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch to my another account. This is my account, for example. Yes, this is the account wherever I'm going to share. 1 minute, I will share with this one. Yes. Okay. So I have selected this account. hmm, Sanjay Shinde MIT at gmail.com. I'm going to click on this, continue. Okay. So here, once you will do this, you will get the option create class and join class. As all of your students, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to click on join class button. Hmm? Once you will click on join class, it will ask you for class code. Okay, so here you are supposed to type the class code or paste the class code, whatever your mentor will give you, right? Otherwise, what is other option? I will show you. There is one more option. First of all, let me create the class so that you will also join. I'm going to click on create class button, but don't do this. This is not for you. But for your students, you can use this. I have clicked over here. Continue. Class name, I'm going to give here, for example, Sanjay's micro teaching class. I'm going to give here name. Whatever your mentors will give the name, it is okay. Section, I have written B.Ed, subject, digital skills, room, I'm not going to mention any room. Create. Look, I have created the class. Now you could see my class. Okay, I don't want to. Okay, create announcement. It is asking me to create one announcement. So if you want to create announcement, you can click here, new announcement. I'm going to announce happy afternoon, G students.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Your screen is stuck. I I choose an
Screen is not
account.
stuck. No,
Are you sharing
one.
screen or?
Yeah, I have
Yes, sir,
already
it's
shared
not
my
visible.
screen.
It is not visible,
Not
sir.
visible. Not visible to
Yes,
anyone.
sir. No,
It's
sir.
Whatever,
visible.
actually, whatever you're doing, it is not visible, sir. The screen is choose an account is there is a steady. That one page is steady.
सर नहीं है क्या?
हाँ आई थिंक सर नहीं है, मुझे लगता है कोई नेटवर्क इश्यू होगा।
ओके
ये
थैंक यू।
Yes. Okay, welcome back. I'm sharing my screen now, so that you could see the whole screen. Now my screen is visible properly. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again, I'm showing. That's good. That's good. Okay, so here my screen is in front of you. So as I told you that, yeah. Okay, so this is uh, my Gmail account, different Gmail account. So here you could see 9 dots over here, right? 9 dots are here. So from here also you can go to Google Classroom, or simply you can type over here Google Classroom. Google Classroom. Login. I'm going from here. I'm going to click here on Google Class, right? So I have clicked on Google Classroom sign in. Look, as I told you that here there are two options, create class and join class. As your students, you'll have to submit the assignment. So you'll have to click on join class. And here, whatever code your teachers will share you, you'll have to join through that code. This is one option. Second thing, teachers will invite you via link on your mail. You'll have to join through that. Third thing, teachers will directly insert your email ID in their class and you will get joined to that class. Okay. So first of all, I will create a class. I'm going to click on create class bit. Yes, I have given permission to this account. Here I'm going to type the name. Look, for example, Sanjay's micro teaching class. You may create this for your students, because here you are joining as a student, but for your students, you can create it. Section B.Ed, subject, digital skills. For example, I'm going to type digital skills. Then room, I don't want to choose any room. I'm going to click on create button. Look, now I have created, this is my class. Okay, Sanjay's micro teaching class, close. Look here, this is the code. I'm going to click on this code. I have copied this code. Copy. You may copy this code as it is, or you may copy invitation link. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste this in my chat box. Those students who are joined with this chat box, that means Microsoft Teams login ID, they could use this code. I have shared this code in chat box. Okay, so you can join with this code also, or there is one or more option you could see over here. Look, copy invite link. I have copied this invite link. Again, I'm going to paste this in chat box. You could see this in chat box. I have posted this link, chat box link. If anyone will click on this link, or if anyone will type this Google code in their Google Classroom, then also directly you can join my class. Okay, so this is my class, and those students who will join here, I could see this in people section. You could find here people section. Hmm? If I will click over here, you could find here students. So if there are no students, here one more option is there, students plus. I'm going to click here plus. Here I'm going to type anyone's email ID. For example, Rajasri K micro teaching at gmail.com. Hmm? This is whatever I have inserted. I'm going to click over here. I'm going to click on invite. Okay. So she has got invitation on her email. If she will click on that link in her email, she will get joined in my students group. Okay. So this is one option. In this way also you can call the students to join your class. So now we are not going to see the class and everything. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to send you one assignment first of all, so that you will get know how to send assignment or how to, yeah. Suppose this is the assignment. Hmm? Title. I will write the title over here. 1 minute. I will take assignment. I will post it over there so that it will be easy for you. Look. Activity 1. Activity 1 lesson summary. Okay. This is the activity 1, whatever. I will post it over there. 1 minute. For example, yes. This is activity 1 for you. So I'm going to post here. Look. Hmm? I have given title, create and format, lesson summary, MS Word, Google Docs. I have given you 2 instructions. Okay. If I want to attach something template, suppose I want to give you template for this, I'm going to click on upload and I'm going to share my template with you. Browse file. So what I have created the template, I will give you as a reference. This is the template wherever you can do. But for this, I will have to create one template. So what I will do first of all, this is the lesson I have made, parts of speech. So I will convert it into template file, save as. In save as, again, I have gone to activity 1. Here, instead of Word document, look here, Word template option is there. I have clicked on Word template. It is not for you. Just I'm going to show you how to make a template. I have saved this. So now this became the template. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you template that in this format, you will have to make this. So again, I have chosen activity 1 here. You could find over here. Look, there is one template. For example, this is document. This is, yes. Suppose I have given you this one, this template. I have clicked it over here. So look, this is the template. You could find here, students can view the file, students could download the file, and they can make changes over here. What I'm going to do now, yes, topic. I will give the topic over here. For example, no topic is given. I will create the topic. Activity 1. This one. Due date, I will give, for example, 15th of November. Till 15th of November, you will have to complete this point. Till, yes, I have given this. And I'm not going to close submission after due date. I have assigned this. Assign. This is assigned to my class now. Okay. So this is the assignment I have given to the students. Those students who are in my class, they could find it. So now I will show you how to submit the assignment. Okay, this is very easy. I'm going to home now. I'm going to copy the code, copy invitation link or copy invitation code also. I have copied the code invitation link. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going in my another account from here. For example, yes, this here you could find new Gmail account. Now I'm as a student, how to submit this? I will show you. Yes. So here what I have done, I have selected another thing. Yes. Plus me no. I have selected this. Yes. This is my account. Gmail account. Here I am going in my Google class as I shown you that you have to go in Google class. So what I will do, I have joined, I'm going to join through this. You could see here. Look, this is Google Classroom. Now what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to join as a student over here. Sorry. Join class. Here is option join class. I'm joining as a student. So here it is asking for class code. So what I have done, I have pasted the code over here. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to use this over here. This is the code I have pasted now. I'm going to click on join button. Now it is showing me joining. Look, now this is the class I have joined. Okay. I could see new announcement also. What is new announcement? No, you can post here. For example, I'm going to comment. We have one more assignment where you are going to post or comment. For example, I'm going to comment. Thank you, Sanjay sir, for adding me in this class. This is my post. You will have to, that means suppose teacher will give you the topic, you will have to comment on that. So just I'm showing how to create post. So I'm going to post it, right? So look, this is my posting. In this way, you'll have to comment. This is also one of the assignment that you'll have to comment. So I have commented, thank you, Sanjay sir, for adding me in the class. Okay. Uh, Otherwise, if teacher will give you, for example, discuss on the topic digital literacy. So you'll have to add a comment over here. I'm going to comment over here. For example, thanks for your guidance. In this way, you can add any comment, whatever teacher will give you the topic. So I have given the comment. If there are 10 students, students will comment on this. Suppose you have discussed on anything, so students will comment over here. Okay, now let's see assignment submission. Now I want to submit this assignment, and this is the assignment I could see. Practice teaching posted a new assignment. So I'm going to click on that assignment now. This is the assignment I could see here. Look, activity 1 lesson summary, Microsoft Word. Okay, what is the assignment? Create and format lesson summary, MS Word or Google Docs, 100 points. Prepare a lesson summary of any school subject, use heading, bullet, वगैरह like that. So what I'm going to do here, you could find here comments. If class comments are there, you can find here. If I want to add comment, thank you so much for sharing the template. I have given here the comment template. I have posted the comment over here. Now, what I'm going to do, I would have to submit this. Due date is November, right? Your work is assigned. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to submit the assignment. Here, add or create button is there. If you'll create, click here, you will find copy the link, report abuse, so many things. We want this one also. I'm going to click on add or create. So what I'm going to do, add Google Doc. We have our document. So I'm going to click on doc, or you can create your file also if you want. If you have Google Doc, directly you can type over here. Directly you can go here, you can make your assignment over here and you can submit it from here also. So this is also one of the thing where you can submit it. Hmm? So this is one thing from where you can submit, but now I don't want to create this doc. Directly I will submit it from my assignment, whatever they have assigned. Okay, so I have clicked here assign, but I don't want this. I will delete this. I will take a file, insert from Google Drive. This is in my Google Drive, so I could upload it from there also, or recent also, if you could see. Okay, suppose this is my file. I'm going to browse, upload. Hmm? In activity 1, you could see over here, this is activity 1 lesson summary I have created. So I'm going to click on that. Look here, I have uploaded now my assignment. It is uploading. It is taking some time. This is I have uploaded. Okay. After uploading it, you can click it turn on and private comment. Here you can give, for example, dear sir, I have uploaded my activity 1 lesson summary parts of speech. I have written this comment. This is private comment. This will go to only your teacher. I'm going to click here on. This is on button. Turn in. If you'll turn in, then only your teacher could see. Look, attachment will be submitted for create and format lesson summary. Turn in. Once you will turn in, then it got submitted. It got submitted. Assignment 1 got submitted. If you will find no, something got left, so you can click on unsubmit button. Again, it will get unsubmitted. Again, you could attach one new file and submit it. Got it? So how to submit the assignment? You'll have to click here. You'll have to add your assignment and then you can post one private comment also. Okay. So this is all about submission of assignment. Is there any doubt how to submit the assignment in Google Classroom? Yes,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, please.
Sir, only once more, sir, only once more little bit how to submit by
How to
browsing after
submit?
browsing.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going to
On,
unsubmit it now. I'm going to unsubmit it. I have
okay.
unsubmitted. Again, I will submit. You could find here. Look, I'm going to close this. Now nothing is there. So what I have done, this is my home. Again, I will show. This is the class wherever I have joined. So I'm going to click on that class so that yes. So I'm going to see that there is one assignment pending for me. I'm going to click on that practice teaching. Here I could find your work assigned. Hmm. I want to submit my assign. I'm going to click on add or create. Add or create. I'm going to click on file. File why? Because I have my separate file with me. It is not in my Google Drive. It is in my computer in my desktop. I'm going to click on file button. After clicking on file, here is upload button, upload. So I'm going to click on browse. In browse, wherever the location of that file, look here, activity 1 lesson summary. I'm going to click on that. Then click on open. Now it is getting uploaded. Look, it is uploading over here. Now it got uploaded. Now I want to submit. Submit means what? Turn in. If you'll click on turn in, then only it will get submitted. If you won't click on this, it won't get submitted. So I'm going to click on turn in. Look, it is asking me, are you sure you want to submit this? Yes, turn in. I have clicked on turn in. Look, now you could find here, Assignment got submitted. Here unsubmit button is there. That means your assignment got submitted before the due date, right? And I have shared one comment also that I have submitted this and this assignment privately. No classmate will see this. Only your teacher could see this. Okay. Now this is submitted. Now teacher will see your assignment and he will that means give you marks. How is it? I will show you. Hmm? Look, this is my class. Now I am in teacher's role. I'm going to click on my class. I will see whatever classroom students have sent me classwork. Look, this is create and format summary. I could find here. Look, one-handed it. One-handed in, that means one person has sent this assignment. I'm going to click on that. Look, hmm, one-handed in. This is the activity one person who has sent this, Sanjay Shinde. So I will have to give him marks over here. But first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to check this. I have clicked on that assignment, whatever he or she has sent. Look here, this is the thing I have seen. Okay, he has done all the things very good. I have seen the rubric. According to rubric, what I'm going to give, I'm going to give him marks. Suppose I have given him 99 marks. Okay, and I'm going to add excellent. Okay, excellent. And I have given him marks. Suppose you have given him 70 marks, 60 marks, you can comment that you didn't do this, you haven't done this properly or so on. I'm going to post this. I have posted excellent and this one. Okay, not written. Everything got done. Now come here. You could find over here. I have given here 99 marks. Look, 99 marks are given to this person, right? So in this way also you can give this person mass. I have given him mass. The person will see this much mark. If you want to written it, click on written. Written. If it is not proper, you can written it to that person if you want. Now I have given marks to this person. Let me see student's perspective. Hmm? Now how much mark you have got? If you want to say this, you may say this over here also. Look, teacher has given me comment. Excellent. Now let me see if I could see my marks or not over here. Suppose, yes, classwork, view your work. Okay, I have submitted this. View details. 100 points. I think it couldn't come. Might be something is remaining. Okay, no problem. I will show you later on whenever you'll do actually how you could see your mass and everything. Hmm? Okay, so this is all about how to submit the assignment in my Google Classroom. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this now, you may ask me because now we have some three activities. Okay, till Google Classroom. Is there any doubt in this? How to submit the assignment, how to join Google Classroom, how to post comment? Any doubt? No
सर
doubt?
दिस इज लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजिंग आई डोंट मतलब सब आप जब बता रहे हो तब समझ में आ रहा है लेकिन खुद से करने के लिए थोड़ी डिफिकल्टी है तो इसके लिए
हम्म,
हम
हम्म।
क्या करेंगे
इसके लिए आज हमारा लाइब्रेरी में सेशन है कंप्यूटर लैब में, तो वहाँ पे आप आ जाओ, वहाँ पे आप करो। अगर आपको कोई डिफिकल्टी आती है तो आपके टीचर्स आपके साथ है। So
ओके
here, whenever you will come in the lab, you may do all those things. Okay. So over there, teachers are there to guide you. If there is any difficulty, they will guide you. Okay. So yeah. See you all in the lab.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So we are going to stop here because this is lunch time. So you may take your lunch also. Come in the lab as per whatever ma'am has given the timing.